All right, our third graders are playing bowling for dollars. They are rolling the ball at their pins to try and see how many they get knocked over. They add up all their pins from 2 shots, and then they will go over to the banker and tell the banker how many pins they got. He has a scorecard there that will, that way he'll know how much money each amount of pins is, and he will pay the different players. The groups are going to try and accumulate as much cash as they can. At the end of the game, we'll count up our money. You can see on our scorecard here, strike is worth 100, a spare is worth 50, and then we go all the way down to 1. So the first 5 pins are $1 each, and then they go up 6 and higher. Now students can take their money if they want, and they can change it in with the banker for larger bills. So for example, they could take 2 50s or 5 20s and bring them over to the banker and trade them in for 100 if they want. Makes the money easier to count at the end of the game because they have fewer bills. So once they accumulate enough cash where they can trade it in for larger bills, they like to do that as well. So there is some money counting and numeracy involved. And our students are working in groups of 3 today. So there's 8, which would be $20. If he can get the spare, it's worth 50. We got 9, so that's going to be worth 25 bucks. And his group will set the pins up, and then the next person will go down to bowl. He just got paid. Moolah! And then he'll go down and be in charge of the pins. Call this one bowling for dollars.